Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are fine. Welcome in your Oxford Progressive English Class 4. Dear student, open your OPE book page number 3. Exercise A. Listen to your teacher and find these words. Then listen and repeat. Dear students, here you can see at pictures. We will read what is written at the bottom of the pictures and you will also read with me. So first number is crab. Say with me, crab. Second is beach. Beach. Third is well. Well. Fourth is bay. Bay. Fifth is seabed. Seabed. Next is shark. Shark. Coast. Coast. Shellfish. Shellfish. Our first word is crab. Let's see what is crab. So here is crab. You can see. Next is beach. So dear student, what is beach? A beach is a landform along with the coast of an ocean, sea, lake or river. It usually consists of loose vertical sand, pebbles, etc. Dear student, I am sure you must gone to beach. You must have seen a beach. It's in Karachi. If anyone has gone to Karachi, they must have seen a beach. Dear student, beach is dry land, which is boundary of sea or boundary of big water, big area containing water. On this sandy area is beach. डियर स्टूडेंट, बीच क्या होता है? बीच एक ड्राई लैंड होती है, वो वाटर और लैंड के दरमियान एक बाउंड्री होती है, जैसा कि यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं. दिस इज़ कॉल्ड बीच. नेक्स्ट इज़ whale. Dear student, here you can see these are whales. Whales are biggest animals ever recorded to live on earth. They are 80 to 100 feet long. Their tongue weighs as much as an elephant. They are the loudest animal on the planet. Dear student, what is bay? A bay is a body of water that is partly surrounded by land. Bay empty out into large bodies of water like ocean and lakes. Basically, bay water body दूसरी बड़ी वाटर बॉडी से उसको मिलाती है, यानी एक छोटी वाटर बॉडी बड़ी वाटर बॉडी से जाकर मिलती है, उसको कहा जाता है बे. इसको क्या कहा जाएगा डियर स्टूडेंट? बे. डियर स्टूडेंट, फर्दर आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हैं बे ऑफ बंगाल. ये फर्दर किससे जाकर मिलता है? इंडियन ओशन से. इसी को ही हम बे कहेंगे. जो छोटे वाटर बॉडी को बड़ी वाटर बॉडी से कनेक्ट करे उसको हम बे कहेंगे. नेक्स्ट इज सी बेड. Dear student, seabed is also known as bed floor or ocean floor. It is the bottom of the ocean. Dear student, जो sea का bottom है उसको हम seabed कहते हैं. Next is shark. Coast. What is coast? The area where the sea and the land meet is called coast. Coastal areas are also known as seaside. Dear student, here you can see this is coast. जहाँ पर समंदर और लैंड आपस में जुड़े उस एरिया को हम कोस्ट कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज shellfish. So dear student, here you can see these are shellfish. Dear student, shellfish are animals that hard shell on the outer of its body that live in water. Dear student, इनके अंदर छोटा सा इंसेक्ट होता है और ऊपर से ये हार्ड बॉडी होती है. डियर स्टूडेंट, कुछ ममालिक में इनको खाया भी जाता है. एक्सरसाइज